Well, everybody, if you enjoyed this short video, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this video's over. Have a good one. Take care.